Hello everyone. This is a video for the subject introduction and syllabus discussion of SYBBA semester 3 financial management. I Dr. Janish Bhagat will discuss about a subject and a syllabus. The subject of this SYBBA semester 3 financial management, it has a subject code 305, and let us start with the unit number 1. Unit number 1 of this subject is Introduction of the Financial Management, in which we will discuss the basic fundamentals of the financial management, which is a purely theoretical chapter. We'll discuss about the meaning and nature of the financial management, various rules of the financial manager, goals of the financial management, in which we will discuss about the profit maximization, wealth maximization, traditional and modern approach, and transitional approach as well. The functions of the finance decisions, investment decisions, dividend decisions, and the liquidity decisions, role of the finance manager, concept of the time value of money, and these are the various subpoints under the chapter will be covered. Unit number 2, which consists of the 30% of the syllabus, the chapter name is long term investment decision, in which we will discuss about the capital budgeting, various methods of evaluating capital budgeting projects, in which we will discuss about NPV method, IRR, ARR, and the net terminal value method as well, PI method also, and payback period also. The unit number 3 is known as dividend policy and leverage, which consists of the 20% of the syllabus, in which we will discuss about the relevance and irrelevance approaches of the dividend given by the hypothesis, Walters, and the Gordon model, which is also having some of the numerical parts in it, and having also the leverage the topic, in which we will discuss about the financial leverage and the combined leverage, operating leverage as well. Number 4 is about the working capital management, which consists of the 25% of the syllabus, in which we will discuss about the different methods of the working capital management, in which we will discuss about the factors affecting working capital, operating cycle, cash cycle, determination of the working capital requirements, management of cash as well, and receivables management. So this is what the financial management subject is all about, which consists of the total 4 units, and total coverage of this syllabus would be 100%. These are the different suggested reading books are given, in which we will follow M.Y. Khan and P.K. Jain, which is a very well known book and a good book. Thank you so very much.